Hi, I'm Rod from Rotolight, and today I'm delighted to announce the Neo 3, the world's most advanced and brightest on-camera light, and the AEOS 2, a workhorse, versatile, powerful 1x1 light, ideal for filmmakers and photographers. Both of these lights use the same state-of-the-art LED chip from our $5,000 Titan cinematic lights to produce RGB WW output, 16.7 million colors, 2,500 inbuilt digital filters, and absolutely stunning skin tones and unrivaled power output. Both of these products feature a distinct, unique, round design that creates a gorgeous catchlights in the eyes, a soft wrapping effect, and eliminates shadows. Not only do these lights offer an incredible power output and all the advantages of shoot what you see continuous light, they're also the world's first high-speed sync RGB flash. For the first time, flash in any one of 16.7 million colors, 2,500 digital filters, or anywhere from 3,000 to 10,000 Kelvin for unlimited creative possibilities. And with zero recycle time, you'll never miss a shot. Up to 140% more powerful in continuous mode than the previous models, but up to 3 stops more powerful in flash, meaning these products will deliver incredible power whenever you need it. Featuring an integrated Elinchrom Skyport wireless flash receiver, control up to 20 lights in 4 groups wirelessly, or use third-party high-speed sync receivers and transmitters, plug simply into the 3.5mm flash socket found on both of these products. Both the Neo 3 and the AEOS 2 feature integrated Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, controllable from a brand new Rotolight native iOS and Android app. Up to 20 lights in 4 groups for wireless control of color temperature, filters, special effects, and much more. Both of these products feature an industry-first, intuitive, fast, and responsive touchscreen display that allows you to save significant time on set, instantly recall your favorite settings, and access key features with just one touch. So let's take a look at the menu. From the home page here, you have 6 different options. CCT mode for control of Kelvin, HSI for hue, saturation, and intensity, gels for 2,500 inbuilt digital filters, flash to control flash power and settings, duration, special effects for 10 incredible inbuilt special effects for your filmmaking, and system settings. The great news for existing Rotolight customers is that all of your previous accessories, from barn doors and softboxes, are all compatible. Both the Neo 3 and the AEOS 2 feature brand new quick-release diffuser domes for a fast and affordable way to achieve beautiful soft light. A brand new Rotolight universal speed ring adapter allows you to use your existing Bowens mount modifiers on the Neo 3 and AEOS 2. We're also really excited today to announce the AEOS Smart Softbox, the world's first intelligent softbox. Electronically control diffusion, focus, and spread of the light with an optional accessory that plugs simply into the bottom of the AEOS to provide power, enables you to control from the back of the light or from the app diffusion settings wirelessly from up to 600 feet. The Neo 3 features a brand new high-performance USB-C rechargeable battery for portable power you can always rely on. The AEOS 2 features an integrated V-Lock battery plate, consuming 2/3 less power than the nearest competition whilst producing more output. With the Neo 3, you have the brightest, most advanced on-camera light ever made, and the AEOS 2, a fantastically versatile 1x1 workhorse light for portable power whenever you need it. Featuring intuitive, fast, responsive touchscreen displays, 16 million colors, 2,500 digital filters, powerful continuous light, and a high-speed sync RGB flash with zero recycle time. These lights represent the ultimate in lighting for photographers and filmmakers to provide you with endless creative possibilities. For more information, go to rotolight.com.